Hi friends, I am Dr. Auliam Kaur, Consultant Interventional Cardiologist, Narayana Multispeciality Hospital, Jessore Road, Kolkata. So today I will just discuss with you my journey during these COVID days. I have done lots of operations during this COVID era, and I think I have been successful throughout this, but the long term outcome was only far better for those patients who have attended our emergency within no time. So my advice will be, as you get a symptoms, maybe an chest pain or an dyspnea or an palpitation, immediately come to a hospital so that we can diagnose your problem at a right time. See my friends, the heart attack, complete heart blocks, all these things will not give you time. If you are fearing to visit the hospital of getting a COVID infection in the hospital, then I will give you a message that COVID is a communicable disease that is in the air. You can get it, you can contract it even if you go out in the market. But ignoring the important signs and symptoms that may be related to heart attacks will lead your life in danger. COVID is not a stigma. It is there, it will be with us, along with other viral diseases that have been throughout decades and centuries. We have to live with it. But we should not forget all the other pre-existing comorbid conditions that are already within us. Early presentation to the hospital, immediate diagnosis of heart attack, immediate interventions like angioplasties, temporary pacemaker or permanent pacemaker can give you a very suitable life ahead. Thank you. My only take home message is the COVID is not a stigma. You shouldn't fear of it. Thank you.